So today I decide to go in my garden and take some very nice mint for mint lemonade. And this is very nice. Fresh, healthy, delicious. This is what we used. Maybe a little bit more.
Show me. Can I smell
Wait.
them? I like the smell. They smell good.
Smells like gums. Gums?
Gum?
The sweet gums. You know what I mean?
Gums? Like chewing gums?
Yes.
Really?
No, not?
Yes. Actually, yes. There are some gum that smell like this.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Peppermint. It's peppermint.
Peppermint.
So now we go in my kitchen, please. Continue with our lemonade. For this I make the leaves in a box, and I want freezes with water and a bit sugar. So this we can make a squash. Squash?
Squash?
That's squash. Squash.
Squash?
Squash.
Squash is a fruit. I mean, it's a legume.
Something what it's mixed ice, water, ice and mixed. Is this a squash?
Water?
Squash? I don't know. Nice things. I mean nice things. Now our leaves here inside. We put some sugar. So. And now we add some water and we put it in a freezer. So you see it's come out as a block. We have put it in my Wonder machine, and then we fill it the glass with the mixed ice. So goodness, make it correct. It's a very good drink for when it's hot days.
For hot days.
For hot days. Oh, I like it. You sit in the garden, relaxed with a book or on the pool. So it's enough, like this. You add some sugar. And water.
And water.
Yes. You see? You want test?
Yes. It's hot. It's very hot.
In my kitchen, like always. Please.
Yes. This is a straw?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, yeah. See this? Cheers.